In this video, I will show you how to fix internal server error on Reddit app. So if you're facing this, what you can do is simply click and hold on to the Reddit icon. Then click on more features. Go to app info. From here, click on force stop. Then confirm it. Now go to storage uses. Here you can see clear data and clear cache written in bright red. Make sure you click on clear cache. Once your cache is cleared, you can try restarting the app. And next thing that you need to ensure is that if you have VPN turned on, make sure you disable it. Now next thing that you can do is simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Reddit. Then check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And if there is no update available, then open Reddit. In the bottom right corner, you will see a profile icon. Click on it. Now in the top left corner, you will see your username. Click on the downward arrow. Here you can see the tick mark on your account. Click on this logout icon. Then log out. After that, log back into your account. Now one last thing that you can try even after all of this is not working, then simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for Reddit. Now use it through this web page, and if the web page is also down, then that means their server is out. Simply wait for some time and it will be fixed. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.